Hello, my name is Lamin and welcome to my 12th tutorial. In this tutorial, I just like to help people that are having problems in the while loop. If you're having problem, so this is the right place for you to understand while loop very well, and then you can go on from there. I'll just show you a basic way of doing a while loop, and in my next tutorial, you will find out how to do a do loop, and the following tutorial, you will find out how to do a for loop. So I hope you follow up. So I will actually, what I always try to do is I'll try to define what while loop is, and so you understand actually what while loop is. And if someone tells you what is while loop, you don't just open your eyes and look at the person. You actually know what the meaning is. So while loop, in my own definition, I'll just say while loop can be it's like a structure, or it's a control structure that allows you to repeat attacks many times as much as you want. So in case if I want to say my name is Lamin, yeah, my name is my name. So if I want to say he is 12 years old, he's 13 years old, he's 14 years old till number 20. So how to do that? So if I want to increment one by every time, increment it by one, and I don't want to write that all the time. What I want to do is I want to use a while loop, so the while loop can automatically put everything for me in a second. How do you do that? We're gonna do that right now. Okay, so first of all, what you do, you first create your package and create your class, and then in your class there's a method. So create your method, and then in your method we start doing our work. First of all, we create our variable. We call our variable x. We say equals to let's say 10. No, let's say 15. Yeah, 15. Okay, so we got our 15 here. So first of all, what do we want to first do? Okay, we want to first create a while loop. So you say, I'm sorry, my spelling is bad. While, okay, and then, okay, that's how I always do it, just for the best way of you understanding it. So first of all, we say, because it's a simple thing. If you remember how if statement is, okay, I want to show you here. If this, I want to work this out in if statement. I'll just say if in bracket. I will say if x is less than, if x is equals to, I can say if x is equals to 15, okay, then give me something. That's how you do this in the if statement. That's the same way you're gonna use it. So if I say if x is equals to um, uh, x, okay, in this way, as if x is equal to x, then give me what? Then um, then increment all the time x. So increment 1 at all the time x. So if I say system dot out dot print line, and I say uh, and I say uh, just 1 minute, um, I can say just one thing. Let's just change that because we wanted to increment it from that to a certain number. So just change that now and just say if x is less than, okay, 10. No, let's see, if x is less than 25, okay, if x is less than 25, then increment 111 till 25, okay, or let's say 26. So it's, if we say 26, it's gonna take it till 25, sorry, 26. Okay, so in this case here, system dot you say I am, okay, and plus, the plus means and, we say x and she is old. Okay, so in this case what should happen is it's gonna repeat, it's gonna start from 15. I am 15 years old, I am 16 years old, until I am 25 years old. Let's see whether I'm right. You see, it even gives us 26 years old. So this shows that it's actually very accurate. So if I want to change that back to 25, I just give it 25, and it says actually till 25 years old. So to prove that, it's gonna give you I am 16 years old, I am 15 years old, I am 17 years old, I'm 18 years old, I'm 19 years old, until I am 25 years old. So you could have just consumed about 15 minutes to type all this, and now you got only 2 minutes just to type the while loop here, and understand everything. So I'll just summarize everything for you. First of all, you prepare your Java, as I know everyone understands it. As if you're in this stage, you should understand how to create a class, and how to create a method. As the method is one of the most simple thing, it's just a static void made, and you put your string in it, and then yeah, go for it. So you declare your variable, then you declare a variable. In that you bring that variable into functionality, and then increment this. We call this increment by one. So increment it always by one, and then you sort it. So actually that's how to create a while loop. And if you follow up for my in my next tutorial, you will find how to make a do loop. Thank you.